Okay, so hello and welcome back to the TCS Academy for Competition. So today in this lecture session 10, I will take you through the PYQs UPSC CSE question paper analysis. Here we have taken for our analysis 2024 question paper, right? Let's explore the question number 10. Prelims 2024 question paper GS1 set D. Question number 10. So this particular question belonging to polity and governance current affairs question. So let's read the question and understand the question first. Which of the following statements about the ethics committee in the Lok Sabha are correct? Statement 1. Initially it was an ad hoc committee. Statement 2. Only a member of Lok Sabha can make a complaint relating to unethical conduct of a member of the Lok Sabha. Number 3. Third statement. This committee cannot take up any matter which is sub judice. Right? Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A. 1 and 2 only. Option B. 2 and 3 only. Option 3, 6. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So obviously this particular question is a factual current affair question on polity and governance, right? It is not so tough, but of course one has to understand the ethics committees of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Okay, what are the functions, how those are constituted? So all those stuffs would be able to understand very clearly. So then it will be easy, right? It is a level of question is medium. Let's move on to explore the answer and in detail about the particular question. Right? So here, initially it was an ad hoc committee. Yes, of course, that is the correct statement. And only a member of Lok Sabha can make a complaint relating to unethical conduct of a member of the Lok Sabha. Wrong. Anybody can give a complaint on any Lok Sabha member, okay, relating to unethical conduct of Lok Sabha member. So therefore, statement 2 is wrong. Statement 3, this committee cannot take up any matters which is sub judice. So this is also correct. So therefore, the correct option here is C. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Let's explore some of the important the aspects, stuffs related to ethics committees of Rajya Sabha, ethics committees of Lok Sabha, how those are constituted. Okay, so all those stuffs could be able to understand. Okay, more. Rajya Sabha. The vice president would be the Rajya Sabha chairman. Then the vice president of India, K.R. Narayanan, constituted the ethics committee of the Rajya Sabha on March 4th, 1997 to oversee the moral and ethical conduct of Rajya Sabha members and to examine the cases of ethical and other misconduct. Right? Let's understand the composition of Rajya Sabha Ethics Committee. Ethics Committee of Rajya Sabha comprises 10 members, including chairman, who is appointed from the largest party in the House. Okay, so we are talking about Rajya Sabha, upper house of the parliament. Other members, the leaders, deputy leaders, and chief whips of their respective parties or groups within the Rajya Sabha. primary role is to oversee the conduct of members of parliament and to ensure accountability and integrity within the legislative process. Okay, let's move on. Lok Sabha. Ethics Committee of Lok Sabha is composed of 15 members nominated by the Speaker for a term not exceeding 1 year. Functions of Lok Sabha Ethics Committee: examination of complaints and recommendations on the basis of its findings, setting of the code of conduct for the members of Lok Sabha, okay, including, in the case of Lok Sabha, a study group of House Committee of Privileges after visiting Australia and the UK and the US in 1997 to look into practices pertaining to conduct and ethics of legislators. The Committee of Privileges finally recommended the constitution of an ethics committee during the 13th Lok Sabha. The late Speaker GMC Balayogi constituted an ad hoc ethics committee in 2000, which became the permanent part of the House only in 2015. Hence, the statement 1 is correct. Right? Any person can complain against a member through another Lok Sabha MP, along with evidences of the alleged misconduct, an affidavit stating that the complaint is not false, frivolous. Right? If the member himself complains, if the member of Lok Sabha complains against another member, the affidavit is not needed. The Speaker can refer to the committee any complaint against an MP. Sorry. Based on the recommendations, the Speaker or the Chairman may take appropriate action, which may include issuing warnings to the Lok Sabha members, okay, admonishments or recommending the expulsion of the member from the respective house. So, therefore, statement 2 is incorrect because it's given in the question only the Lok Sabha member can complain against the unethical or misconduct of the Lok Sabha member. Wrong. Any person can complain against the Lok Sabha member alleged against any misconduct. Clear? So, therefore, the statement 2 is incorrect. The committee does not entertain the complaints based on only on media reports or on matters that are sub judice. Right? The committee makes a prima facie inquiry before deciding to examine a complaint. It makes its recommendations after evaluating the complaint. So, therefore, the statement 3 is correct. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.